Blue Lagoon Condominiums is a 4-building property located in Miami-Dade County. The building offers many amenities like a resort-style pool, jacuzzi, and so much more.
So this is how the roof is coming along. That's pretty good. I'm very pleased with what I see here. It looks pretty good. It's nice. Nice work. Very, very nice. We still have, of course, to reinstall the lightning rod. It's a work in progress. It looks pretty good. And it's lacking the walk pad. So therefore, we can't have anyone coming on the roof right now unless they are part of the association or the crew, as it could be a huge liability issue. So it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Very nice. I believe they're almost done here.